Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need to prioritize safety before changing driver assist behavior. First, identify your exact Subaru model and eyesight software version so you know what controls exist. Once done, park safely and keep the vehicle off. Make sure you won't be tempted to drive while adjusting settings. Instead of disabling safety systems, prepare documentation and contact info for an authorized Subaru dealer. They can advise legal, reversible options and ensure warranty and airbag systems remain intact. You can often change how eyesight behaves without removing it. Access the vehicle settings menu and look for alert sensitivity, chime volume, or camera-based assist toggles. These reduce intrusiveness while keeping safety active. Once done, reference the owner's manual to confirm which features are user configurable, because many are intentionally non-removable to preserve occupant protection. If you need a temporary change, ask the dealer about approved pause modes or software settings that achieve your goal safely and legally. When you reach finalized changes, have an authorized Subaru technician perform any adjustments or firmware updates. They can disable or reconfigure features only within legal and safety guidelines. Once done, get written confirmation so warranty and safety systems remain documented. If problems continue, error lights, chimes, or degraded camera output, make sure to let the dealer run diagnostics and recalibration. A professional fix preserves safety and avoids unintended consequences that DIY disabling might cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.